everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dafika. I do different makeup, beauty and lifestyle videos in this channel. Makeup is something which is very easy, subtle and easy going. You enjoy the videos. Without talking too much about the video, let's get started and dive into the video. This is rose water. This is the Karma rose water that I usually use. So my next step is going to be an under eye cream. I'm going to use this one by Aroma Magic. I'm going to use this lip sleeping mask. This is by Laneige. And I use this lip balm. The product that I'm going to use is this oil. I've used this oil so much that it doesn't have the label anymore, but this is by Beauty Co. So I'm going to take this oil, 2 to 3 drops, and dab it all over my face very nicely. I'm going to use this Pond's cream. This is the this is a super light gel that we have, and I almost am done with the product, but I love it so much, so I'm going to use this a ton. I use this basically on my nighttime regimen and I love this one. It gives my skin a lot of moisture. So on the same direction, just pat the product onto your skin so that it drinks and soaks in all the product. So skincare is not done yet. The next step is that I'm going to use a moisturizer. This is the Garnier Wrinkle Lift moisturizer, and I'm going to use this one onto my skin, and I'll also add some stroke cream. This is the MAC stroke cream. I'll use this on the high points of my face and try to use it and mix it with the moisturizer that I'm going to use. So if you see, I already have a very nice and moisturized face from the previous part that I have shown you. So I'm letting this sit for good 2 minutes and we'll move towards the next part. So the next part is that I'm going to use a primer. I'm using the Color Bar primer. I'll just use it on the areas where I need my primers to work. Is that I'm going to use a corrector. I'm using the Age Rewind by Maybelline. I chose the shade Caramel as first. Yes, this is the shade Caramel because this is a product which works as a corrector and also as a concealer onto my skin and my skin tone. So blending it very nicely with a damp beauty blender. I'm going to use a blush. This is a liquid blush by O2O. A little bit. Using one by PAC Cosmetics. This is a PAC Liquid Glow Highlighter, and the shade name is not here, and don't worry, I'll give everything in the description box. So I'm going to use this one in the same method as we use the blush. We'll take just a little bit, and with the help of a beauty blender, we'll use this one on the high points of the cheeks. So for foundation, I have 2 foundation today. I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Match, and the second foundation that I have is the Maybelline Fit Me. This is in the shade 228 and this one is in the shade Golden Beige. So it's like a mixture of little light and little in between. So I'm going to mix this two so that I get a perfect shade. I mixed my foundation, and the next thing that I'm going to do with my foundation is I'll add the MAC Stroke Cream in my foundation, so I have that very glowy sort of makeup look. So I have blended my base in my foundation very nicely onto my skin. To dab some of the loose powder, this is by Maybelline Fit Me. I'm going to use this one onto my skin with the wet beauty blender, so I don't have too much of a powdery sort of a face. So I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution blush. This is in the shade Rose Kiss. I'll use very little. I'm taking this in the brush, taking out the excess and just a very little amount of it so that it looks very natural. Is that I'm going to use the same stroke cream just a little bit, just a tiny bit on the high points of my face. The Ofra setting spray. So next I'm going to use a highlighter. So I'm going to use the Becca highlighter. You can use any highlighter. I also have a video where you can see the dupe of this Becca one, so I'll give the link of the video down in the description box, so you can just tap in it and see. So going to use this one on the high points of my cheek. So my base is done. I'll just be back with a little bit of my groomed eyebrows and a little bit of a lipstick, maybe a falsie. Yes, I'm back with my lashes and a little bit of a lipstick. This is the final look that I have for you. I know it is very easy and simple, but this is something that we tend to love doing in our everyday lives. This is something which I personally love. This is something which I would love to carry on my everyday sort of a look, because this is something which I can carry very easily, and this is something which is nourishing my skin from within and also giving me a very flawless. I have makeup on my face, but it doesn't look like I have makeup. It's just making my skin look flawless, and that is what we actually want in our everyday life. So I hope you like the video, and if you did, and if you like my work, if you haven't subscribed, I request you to please subscribe to my channel and to be a part and support my journey. Thank you so much for watching.